how to program with our robot. On Simplifying Robotics today, I'm gonna show you step by step how to install the URSim, the free simulator for universal robots. The first thing we have to do is to go to the Universal Robots website, download, then we go to Software, then select Non-Linux Offline Simulator. There are a few options. We're gonna select the first one and then click in Download. We also gonna need a virtual machine, and from that we're gonna use the VirtualBox. Gonna choose the first option here, gonna click in Download, and then we're gonna choose the Windows option. Next step is to extract the files from the URSim folder. The next step is to install the virtual machine. Here you can see the file called the VirtualBox, the one we just downloaded. So we go Next, Accept, Next. Then we're gonna click in Open and find the folder we just extracted from the URSim. We find the file and we open it. And then we press Start. You take a few seconds or minutes to generate the virtual machine. This is our virtual machine running the URSim. And if you see this message asking you to update, you're gonna go to the trail icon at the bottom and press Install Updates. That might take a few minutes. Then you can choose which robot you wanna open. I'm gonna choose the UR10. Double click, and that's also gonna take a few minutes to upload. Once it's open, we're gonna confirm the safety configuration to close this tab. Then we're gonna power on our robot. So you press here on the button, press on, wait a little bit, and then press Start. We can go to Program tab, then we can go Graphics, you can see your robot, and now in this tab you can create a program. Now that you have the URSim installed, would you like to learn how to use it? I will be running a live workshop soon, so follow along for the details.